Alright, what's going on guys, it's JankyKF and we're back with another guide video. So based on the popularity of my how to install RAM in the gaming PC video, I've decided to make another video showing how to install RAM on a laptop. So it's very simple. All you need is a laptop, the RAM you're going to install, and a screwdriver or whatever you need to get into your laptop. So first things first, you got to unplug everything, turn your laptop off so you don't break anything or whatever, and start removing all the parts so you can get into your RAM. So some laptops you can upgrade the RAM, but some are like, I don't know, like they just close everything off so you can't really upgrade it. So depending on your laptop it might be different. Mine's kind of nice because I can just take my battery off like that. And then here we go. So for my specific laptop, I have a few screws that I got to take out here, and I know my RAM is in this part of the laptop. So we're going to take those out and we'll get back to you guys. Alright, so now that we've gotten everything off, thanks to our trusty screwdriver, you want to make sure you save the screws. Oh, also, that's my roommate's screwdriver, so I hope you don't mind if you're watching this video that I'm borrowing it. But yeah, make sure you save the screws. I've just kept mine in the frame, but these are usually really small, so you don't want to lose them. So we can see here inside my laptop, here's the stick of RAM I already have in here. It's a single stick of 4GB, DDR3 or whatever. And I have another one, pretty much the exact same, that I'm going to stick in there. So yeah, my computer has 2 slots, but yours might vary. Oh, it's hard to open this with one hand. I should have gotten Duperator, who I had in my other video, but unfortunately I'm doing this one by myself here. So once we have the stick, you can see I've read that you want to hold it off the side, so you don't want to touch the gold pin, the connector pins, or else you might mess something up. And we can see the other one is stuck in going this way, but we're gonna have to stick it in the other way to that thing right there. So give me a sec. I don't think I can film and effectively stick it in at the same time, but we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna try it out here with the filming. Hopefully I don't brick my laptop. It's pretty old, so I don't know, it won't be too big of a loss, except all my homework's on there, so we'll see. So you want to align the notch. You see the notch here on the card with the notch there, and just stick it in with a 45-degree angle. So I gotta look not on my phone here. That looks like a 45-degree angle, and then push it down. Oh, that, okay, well, so now it's sticking up like this, but what I'm seeing is you want to push it down until the clips snap into place, but that seems like it would snap something else. Is that really what I do? Pause. So apparently I do just push down. Alright, well, here goes nothing. Oh my god, this sounds awful. Oh, that's a nice click. Now, what I'm also reading is if placed correctly, the pins will not be showing much, and I already have one incorrectly, so I can just refer it. And they look about the same. So yeah, hopefully that's it. I'm gonna put my computer back together and I'll record a quick bit of me starting it up. And yeah, we'll see if that worked. Alright, and as we can see, I didn't brick my computer because we have 8GB of DDR3 committed, 2.5 out of 11. Okay, I don't know what that means, but yeah, we should be okay. We got 2 slots out of 2, so good to go. Yeah, and that's the guide. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, favorite, subscribe, and check out some of my other tip videos if you need the help. And yeah, goodbye.